In today's video, I'll show you how to install 100% save file in Mad Max. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open the save folder depends on you like. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this 100%. This is for Steam users. Go to Documents, WB Games, Mad Max Saves. Open Documents, WB Games, Mad Max, Backup Save. The end of the save inside. For Steam users, you need to go to Steam user data. And for file path, check my video description for this file path. Navigate to this path and drop this file inside this location. Once you're done, you can launch the game. Once you are in game, go to load game and select the slot 6 and select yes and load the save. The save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.